Hey everybody, here is the painting from video 578. I really like it. The string pull at the end really saved the day. I think it is super cool looking. So it is a tile. I taped the back. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure how I'll hang it, like what direction. Not sure yet. And then I thought of making it like a tabletop kind of decoration. There's so many ideas. All right, let's see. So today I am trying something totally different that I'm hoping, well, let's see, will work. But I honestly don't know. And I was wandering around the hardware store the other day and was getting random tools, and that's when I thought of this. So it is currently Memorial Day, it's Monday, and my son graduated Saturday. Woo woo! You can see his picture with me on my art page on Facebook or Instagram. So the colors I'm going to use are Artist Loft Turquoise, Prussian Blue, which is Grumbacher, Artist Loft Iridescent Green Yellow, and a self-mixed purple. I am going to start by pouring my white paint, which is just the Dutch Boy Interior Latex paint, and Floetrol in water. Oh goodness. I'm going to clean around the top because if I pour that, I'm going to pour schmutz all over the painting. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I haven't painted in quite a few days because I was preparing for his graduation and his party. And then this week, probably not a whole lot either going on. I'm seeing Miss Saigon with my mother Wednesday. I think it's my third time, and I'm very, very excited. I love that musical. Wow, this is not moving. My husband hates musicals and theater, so I have to go with my mom. Or my son. My son likes it. I honestly don't know my daughter's feelings on the topic. We should all do a group phone call to her and find out. But I had a bunch of family in town for graduation. My dad's sister and her kids and their kids, and then my brother and his husband, and then me and my husband and my kids, and my daughter's boyfriend, and it is the first time we have all ever been together, ever. So it was pretty spectacular, pretty amazing, and what a blessing. That term always sounds so cheesy to me, but yet in some cases that's really the only word you can use to describe something. So when I use it, I don't use it lightly. All right, I'm going to move this over here. All right, so I'm marking where it was so that I can put it back in frame. I'm going to open up these paints. Now, mind you, I have absolutely no idea if what I'm going to do is going to work at all. But the idea comes from when I have a painting and I don't like it, and I scrape it, and then I retilt it, and it has cool webbing and all that stuff. So that's kind of where I've gotten this idea. but instead of scraping the canvas, I'm actually purposefully doing a pour that I will scrape on. Oh, that did not quite, okay, even that part didn't quite work how I wanted it. Wind it back up. Whoa, it's like all tilted. No. So far, that is not at all what I was thinking. No. Let's see. And I've used that, what I just did. What did I call it though? I did it in a video, like the flip over technique or fold over. Something like that. But kind of sad my other idea flopped. I think it just needs some practice. Okay. Trying to think. I should try it again. So it didn't turn out as planned, but I do like it. All the colors just turned into a really pretty blue. And this is an 8x8 canvas, by the way. Forgot to mention that. Now, I was gonna tilt more this way, but I don't want to get rid of this right here. So I actually think I may leave it. Maybe. I lied. Oh, there's a... I see what the problem is now. There's like an edge there, and the paint was not going over it. A little ridge. There we go. There. One more light torch, since I keep messing with it. And voila! I like it. Like a pretty ocean. Oh, jeez. That's just me tripping. I'm all good. I have a bunch of things in my resin coffins over there. So if you wonder what I'm talking about, you can watch my resin videos. All right. I really, really like this. I wish that my idea had turned out. But I'm going to keep working on it. I had it worked out in my head, so I just need to keep practicing outside my head. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.